Mongolian Tofu Stir Fry. Prepare the ingredients. Slice 1 green capsicum. Slice 2 green shallots on the diagonal. Slice 1 large garlic clove. Chop 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger. Slice 500 grams of tofu into small pieces. In a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of agave syrup. Add 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce. Add half a cup of vegetable stock. Add the chopped garlic and ginger. Add 1 tablespoon of cornflour and whisk. Heat a wok over a high heat. Add the capsicum. Add the green shallots and stir fry. Add the tofu. Add the sauce and stir. And bring to the boil. Stir till it boils and thickens. When boiling, remove from the heat and serve with cooked brown rice.